Hello, and welcome to the Daily English Boost. Get ready to learn and grow with fun, easy, and quick lessons.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. I'm Martin.
And I'm Kate. And if you're new here, welcome. We're so happy you're here.
We really are. Kate, how are you today?
I'm great, Martin. I had my coffee, so I'm ready to talk.
Ha, coffee first, then English. I love it.
Always. What about you? How's your day going?
Pretty good. Actually, something funny happened this morning.
Oh, yeah? Tell me.
So I was thinking about routines, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I realized I have this morning routine now. I wake up, I drink water, I stretch a little.
That's great.
Yeah, but here's the funny part. I didn't plan it. It just happened,
That's how the best routines start.
right? And now I do it every day without thinking.
See? That's exactly what we want to talk about today.
It is. So before we jump in, if you're enjoying this, do us a favor.
Yes, hit that like button. It really helps us out.
And if you're new here, hit subscribe.
And drop a comment. Tell us where you're watching from. We love hearing from you guys.
We really do. Okay, ready, Kate?
Ready?
So, Kate, let me ask you something.
Sure.
You know what's funny? People always say, I want to speak English fluently,
Mm-hmm, they do.
but then they do nothing,
Ha, so true, Martin.
right? Like they watch one video, feel motivated for 5 minutes, and then nothing happens.
Yeah, I see this all the time. They wait for the perfect moment to start.
Exactly. And that perfect moment, it never comes.
Never. They keep waiting and waiting.
And meanwhile, no practice, no improvement.
Nothing changes.
So today, we're going to fix that.
We are, and trust me, if you're listening right now, this could change everything for you.
It really could, Kate, because today, we're helping you create your own English practice routine.
Your own routine, not someone else's, not some boring textbook plan.
Your routine, something that actually works for your life.
Something simple, real, and fun.
So stick with us. This is going to be really good.
Really good.
All right, Kate, so let's start with the big question.
What's that?
Why do you think people struggle with creating a routine for English?
That's a great question, Martin.
I mean, everyone says they want to practice, but then they don't.
Right. I think people feel overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed?
Yeah, they see all these videos saying, do this, do that, study grammar, watch movies, read books.
Oh, I see. Too many options.
Exactly. Too many options. And then they freeze. They don't know where to start.
Ah, so they do nothing.
Nothing, because it feels too big, too complicated.
That makes total sense. So what's the solution?
Start small, Martin. Really small.
Okay, I like that. Give me an example.
Okay, let's say you're a beginner. You want to improve your English.
Mm-hmm.
Don't try to study for 2 hours every day. That's too much.
Way too much.
Right? Instead, start with 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
5 minutes, just 5, every day.
And do what in those 5 minutes?
Anything. Listen to a song, read one paragraph, repeat some sentences.
I love it, because 5 minutes feels easy.
Exactly. It doesn't feel scary. And once you do it for a few days,
You want to do more.
yes, you build momentum.
Momentum. I love that word.
Me too. It means you keep going. You build energy.
Yeah, it's like when you start running. The first step is hard, but then you keep going and it gets easier.
Perfect example. That's exactly it.
Okay, so start small, 5 minutes a day. What's next?
Next is make it a habit.
A habit?
Yeah, you need to do it at the same time every day.
Oh, interesting. Why the same time?
Because your brain loves patterns, Martin.
Patterns.
Yeah, if you do something at the same time every day, it becomes automatic.
Oh, like my morning routine.
Exactly. You don't think about it, you just do it.
So, for example, practice English every morning after breakfast?
Perfect. Or every night before bed.
I like the morning idea. Your brain is fresh.
True. But some people are night people.
Fair point. So find your best time.
Yes, everyone is different.
Okay, so we have start small, make it a habit. What else?
Make it fun, Martin.
Fun?
Yes, if it's boring, you won't do it.
Ha, so true. I stopped doing boring things immediately.
Right? We all do. So choose activities you actually enjoy.
Like what?
Well, do you like music?
I love music.
Then listen to English songs, read the lyrics, sing along.
Oh, I do this all the time.
See? And it doesn't feel like studying.
Not at all. It feels like fun.
Exactly. Or maybe you like cooking.
I do like cooking, yeah.
Watch cooking videos in English.
Oh, that's smart.
Right? You learn English and learn new recipes.
Two things at once. I love it.
Or maybe you like sports.
Oh, yeah.
Watch sports highlights in English. Read articles about your favorite players.
This is brilliant, Kate, because you're learning, but you don't feel the pressure.
Exactly. You're doing something you love. English is just part of it.
I love this approach. So find what you enjoy and add English to it.
Yes, make English part of your life, not separate from it.
Not separate. That's key.
Okay, Martin, let me ask you something.
Sure.
Have you ever started a routine and then stopped?
Haha, yes, many times.
Me too. Why do you think that happens?
I think life gets busy.
Right. Something happens, you miss one day.
Yeah, and then you feel guilty.
Yes, and then you think, oh, I already failed.
So why continue?
Exactly, and you just stop.
This is so relatable, Kate.
I know, everyone does this. So here's my advice.
I'm listening.
If you miss one day, it's okay.
Just one day?
Just one day. Don't worry about it. Just start again tomorrow.
Don't give up completely.
Never. One bad day doesn't ruin everything.
That's really good advice.
Thank you. And here's another tip.
Go ahead.
Be flexible.
Flexible?
Yeah, life changes. Your routine can change too.
Oh, I like that.
Maybe this week you practice in the morning. Next week you're busy, so you practice at night.
That's fine?
Totally fine. The important thing is you keep practicing.
Okay, so don't be too strict with yourself.
Exactly. Be kind to yourself, Martin.
Be kind. I like that.
Because learning a language is a journey. It takes time.
It does. You can't rush it.
No, but if you practice a little every day,
You will improve.
yes, slowly but surely.
Slowly but surely. I love that phrase.
Okay, Kate, let's get practical now.
Practical?
Yeah, let's create an actual routine right now.
Ooh, I love this. Like an example routine?
Exactly, for our listeners, so they can follow it.
Perfect. Okay, let's do it.
All right, so beginner level, someone who's just starting.
Got it. Beginner. What's step 1?
Step 1, morning, 5 minutes.
Okay, what do they do?
Listen to a short English conversation, maybe a podcast like ours?
Ha! I like that, Martin.
Right? Just listen, don't stress, just listen.
Easy. I love it. Okay, step 2.
Step 2, afternoon, during lunch break.
Okay.
Read something simple in English, maybe a short article or a social media post.
Nice. Something quick.
Yeah, just 2 or 3 minutes.
Love it. What about evening?
Evening, this is my favorite.
Tell me.
Watch a YouTube video in English, something you enjoy, 5 to 10 minutes.
Perfect. And it's fun, so you actually want to do it.
Exactly. So that's the routine. Morning, listen. Afternoon, read. Evening, watch.
And how long is that total?
Maybe 15 to 20 minutes total?
Spread throughout the day.
Yes, not all at once, just small moments.
This is so doable, Martin.
Right? Anyone can do this.
Anyone. You don't need hours. You just need consistency.
Consistency, that's the magic word.
It really is.
Okay, so we've talked about how to create a routine,
We have.
but I want to ask you something, Kate.
Sure.
What if someone says, I'm too busy, I don't have time?
Ah, yes, the classic excuse.
Is it an excuse?
Sometimes yes, but sometimes people really are busy.
True.
So here's what I say to them.
Go ahead.
You have time. You just need to find it.
Find it?
Yeah, we all waste time every day, Martin.
Like how?
Scrolling on social media.
Oh, guilty.
Right? We all do it. You scroll for 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
Sometimes an hour.
Exactly. So instead of scrolling,
Practice English.
yes, even just 5 minutes.
That makes sense.
Or here's another idea.
I'm listening.
Practice while you do other things.
Like multitasking?
Yeah, listen to English while you cook or while you clean.
Oh, I do this.
See, it's possible.
You're learning, but you're also being productive.
Exactly. You don't need extra time. You just use your time differently.
I love that. Use your time differently.
Yes, be smart about it.
All right, Kate, let me ask you something personal.
Uh-oh.
No, it's a good question.
Okay, go ahead.
How did you learn English?
Ooh, good question.
Did you have a routine?
I did, actually.
Tell me about it.
Okay, so when I was learning, I watched a lot of TV shows.
In English?
Yes, with subtitles at first.
What shows?
Friends. I loved Friends.
Everyone watches Friends to learn English.
I know, but it worked for me.
Why Friends?
Because the English is simple and it's funny, so I wanted to keep watching.
And you learned without realizing it.
Exactly. I didn't feel like I was studying.
That's the best way to learn.
It really is. What about you, Martin?
Me?
Yeah. How did you improve your English?
Honestly, I talk to myself.
Huh. Really?
Yes, I know it sounds weird.
No, I love it.
I would practice conversations in my head or out loud.
Like pretending to talk to someone?
Exactly. I'd imagine I was at a coffee shop ordering coffee in English.
That's brilliant.
Or I'd imagine I was at a job interview.
So you practiced real-life situations?
Yes, and it helped so much.
I bet. Because when you're in that situation for real?
You're ready. You've already practiced.
Exactly. I love that idea, Martin.
Thanks. So yeah, everyone's routine is different.
True. You have to find what works for you. Okay, Martin, let's talk about motivation.
Ooh, yes, this is important.
It is, because starting a routine is one thing.
But keeping it going is another.
Exactly. So how do you stay motivated?
Good question. I think you need a reason.
A reason?
Yeah. Why are you learning English?
Ah, your why.
Exactly. If you know your why, it's easier to keep going.
True. So what are some examples?
Well, maybe you want to travel.
Yes, that's a great reason.
Or maybe you want a better job.
Also great.
Or maybe you just love learning languages.
That's me.
See? Everyone has a reason.
And when you feel tired or lazy?
Remember your reason.
Exactly. Remember why you started.
Yes, that keeps you going.
It does. And here's another tip.
What's that?
Track your progress.
Track it.
Yeah, write down what you do every day.
Like a journal?
Exactly. Or just a simple checklist.
Ooh, I like checklists.
Right? You check off each day you practice.
And then you see, wow, I've practiced for 10 days in a row.
Yes, and that feels amazing.
It does. You feel proud.
And you want to keep going.
That's smart, Kate. Visual progress.
Exactly. You can see your improvement.
And that motivates you even more.
Yes, it's like a positive cycle.
I love it.
You know what else helps, Martin?
What's that?
Finding a study buddy.
Ooh, yes, a study buddy.
Yeah, someone who's also learning English.
So you can practice together.
Exactly. You can help each other.
That's brilliant, because then you're not alone.
Right. You have someone to encourage you.
And if you feel lazy one day,
Your buddy reminds you to practice.
yes, like accountability.
Exactly. You don't want to let them down.
So you keep going,
Yes, and it makes learning more fun.
because you can share your progress.
And celebrate together when you improve.
I love this idea, Kate.
Me too. So if you're listening, find a friend
Find someone who's also learning English.
and practice together, even online.
Yeah, you don't have to be in the same place.
Not at all. You can use video calls, messaging apps.
Whatever works for you.
Exactly.
All right, Kate, I think we've covered a lot today.
We really have.
But before we finish, let's ask our listeners something.
Oh, I love this part.
Okay, so here's the question for you guys.
I'm ready.
What time of day do you practice English?
Ooh, good question.
Right? Are you a morning person or a night person?
Yeah, leave a comment and let us know.
We really want to hear from you. Tell us your routine.
Or if you don't have a routine yet, tell us what you're going to try.
Yes, we'll read all the comments.
We will. We love hearing from you guys.
And maybe we'll feature some of your ideas in future episodes.
That would be so cool.
Okay, Kate, let's wrap this up.
Let's do it.
So, to recap,
Recap. I like it.
if you want to create your own English practice routine,
Start small, just 5 minutes a day.
make it a habit, same time every day.
Make it fun. Choose activities you enjoy.
Be flexible. If you miss a day, don't give up.
And remember your why. Stay motivated.
Track your progress. See how far you've come.
And find a study buddy if you can.
Perfect. That's everything.
And guys, you can do this.
You really can.
It's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent.
Exactly. A little every day goes a long way.
So start today, right now.
Yes, don't wait for tomorrow. Start today.
And in a few months, you'll look back and think,
Wow, I've improved so much.
exactly, and you'll be so proud of yourself.
You will be, Kate. All right, everyone, that's it for today.
Thanks so much for listening.
We hope this helped you.
And if it did, please give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe if you haven't already.
We make new episodes every week.
And share this with a friend who's learning English.
Yes, help them out.
They'll thank you for it.
They will.
Okay, Kate, see you next time, right?
See you next time, Martin.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.